Okay, people, so I do have the setup for trying to pry this open. So I got hot water, then I have my liquid wrench. This is a super penetrating oil, so I'm gonna soak the tin a little bit in hot water like so, and you can see the bubbling immediately. So that means that the air from inside is coming out. That's awesome. I wasn't expected this to do this. So the next step would be to let this liquid wrench penetrating oil through the seam, go through the seam for a little while. So my next video, short video, will be to show you, or to try to show you if I can open it. Okay, can't wait to see what is inside. Can you?